We will be beginning we will reveal our theme. Theme is Philippines. Info slide. Info slide for motion 3. Protests against corruption in the Philippines have increased in the past few months due to some standard government projects and concerns about government budgets. The opposition is considering two tactics. First, calling for the ouster of the entirety of President Bongbong Marcos' cabinet, including himself, to be replaced by a National Transition Council. And second, holding Marcos accountable through other means, but not through any process of ousting him. Members of the government, including allies of Vice President Sara Duterte, support the ouster of Bongbong Marcos. Okay. May I remind again that once we reveal our motions, your 25 minutes of prep time will immediately start. We will reveal the motions in 3, 2, 1. Motion 1. This House would ban all political dynasties from government positions, elected or appointed in the Philippines. Motion 2. This House prefers a world where the Philippines was never colonized. Motion 3. This House believes that the Philippine opposition should prioritize destabilizing the Marcos administration over preventing a Sara Duterte succession. Your timer. Please inform our marshals if you have a veto.